Hey, this is Karen with Silvercreek Realty, and today we're going to tour 12977 Cottonwood Road, listed by Tamara Williams. This is a really fun property. It's got 3 houses, a main house and 2 guest homes, and they're kind of unassuming farm buildings from the outside, but wait till you see the inside. This is the main home, and it's what I call a surprise house. It looks, like I said, a farmhouse on the outside, but when you come inside, it's a wonderful surprise. It has a nice modern kitchen. Everything is completely remodeled. We're just walking through the main living room. There's a smaller bedroom here, and then another sitting area. And this is another look at the main living area, and then there's a little office off to the side. A super cute bathroom. And then we've got a little deck and a barbecue area outside. This is the primary bedroom on the main level, and another bedroom on the second floor. There's also a bathroom upstairs. Outside, we've got an older barn. And then this is a different storage building. Everything is on about 4 acres. And let's take a look at one of the guest houses. This one is another surprise, light and bright. It's got a little kitchenette, 1 bedroom. Look at this cute bathroom. And we'll go back through the kitchen to the little mudroom and laundry room in the back, and there's a little closet here. Let's take a look at the next house. This is the 3rd house. It's got 1 bedroom plus a loft, and again, kind of an eating kitchen, laundry, 1 bath. Just really cute. Nice closet, and the loft upstairs, which is pretty roomy. Any questions about this property or any property in Gallatin County, feel free to reach out.